doing it.
Let's make it again.
Oh, let's make it again.
I'm gonna make a big.
Do you like this, Evie?
Yes, I'm gonna.
Woo! Oh, it's plum fun. Unless I break it again. I will like this one.
Oh!
We love it. We love it. I don't even have any.
And I am.
You like the feeling, Evie?
Yeah.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Woo! Made a castle. Now I'm gonna get some sand and put the castle together.
Oh, bacon it.
Oh, I still like it though.
No, I bacon it. I don't want it.
I'm making an extra castle.
What
Extra. Woo! It works. It works. No, I need do this one. Do this one. Do.
And this one.
What favourite animals do you like, Evie?
I like goat and crabs.
What do you like underwater?
Crabs and
Crabs don't go underwater.
yeah. And I like goats under.
Yeah. Do you like it,
Yeah.
Evie? It kind of broke. Now I've just got to do this one and this one. So this one. This one's the only one I've got to add for my thing.
Happy you're not keeping it in the middle.
Okay. You're not.
You're not.
Hey, my fingers are under it. Under. Hi. Because I'm going under to get some sand.
Ta-da.
It's so good, isn't it? Don't ruin my castles, Evie. Because Mummy's got to see this.
And Mummy has got a key.
And Daddy.
And Daddy needle in mine.
Woo! Do you like it, Evie?
Yeah. Oh, I do like it.
Do you want to feel some?
Mm.
You've got to keep it into the... The followers just don't want to touch it.
Okay.
We've got some more,
Okay,
remember, Evie. We've got lots of...
A kanga.
Can I break it? Let's break it.
Bam. Bam. Bah, bah, bah. Bah, bah, bah. Bah, bah, bah.
Let's start all over again.
I need my drink.
Okay, you can have your drink.